This is Nicole Numler with exercise 36 and 37 of the kidney dissection due Monday, April 25th. So here we have the kidney, and now I cut it in half. And as we can see, the first thing you notice would be the renal capsule. However, I believe they have it removed for the preserved kidneys. Now, the second thing that you are going to notice is going to be the renal cortex, which is this lighter outside portion of the kidney. Now, that's going to enter into the renal medulla, which is this darker portion. Now, this is slightly hard to see, but you can see these slightly darker indentations in the kidney of the medulla, and these are going to be the renal pyramids. Now, the lighter in between of the pyramids are going to be the renal columns, as you can see here. Now, at the apex of the renal pyramid, it is going to attach to the renal papilla. So the apex would be on the inside and here. Now at the pyramid base, as you see here, it's going to attach to the renal lobe. So this is going to be like the lobe of outside of the medulla. As we enter in, you're going to notice some other key features such as the renal pelvis, which is going to be right here. Now the renal pelvis is also going to be right here at the hilux. Now, the hilus is going to be where the renal artery, which is this portion right here, and the renal vein, this portion right here, and the ureter is going to come in. So this is really going to be the main site of blood and urine fluid in and out. Now, another thing that you are going to notice is the ureter. Now, the ureter is actually very interesting. We sliced it open, and it might be hard to see here, but it actually has these ridges on the inside of the ureter. Now, the ureter is going to be made up of stratified transitional epithelium, which is going to allow it to stretch when it is full of urine, and then it's going to shrink back in size when it has depleted of the urine. Now, the ureter is actually going to attach to the urinary bladder, which is not connected anymore. But this is the dissection of the kidney. It has a lot of key features here. It's just slightly hard to see because this is a stored kidney, so a fresh kidney would be a little easier, but it's still very interesting to see all of the key parts, and it's still very able to see some of the key parts here. You would also have the calyx, which is a lot harder to see because this is one that has been prepared over time, but it would be the indentation in the medulla. And that is the dissection of the kidney.